Dancing ribbons of light with surprising depth and dynamic color, Lixl is perhaps one of the most unique smart light products I've come across. Developed in Germany and funded through Kickstarter, Lixl forgoes the usual approach of flat panels or light strips and instead delivers a stunning new form of smart lighting. What at first appears something akin to a futuristic radiator, with just a slight shift in perspective, thanks to the high-grade woven textile that is the face of Lixl, arches of light appear and weave into one another. 3 panel sizes are offered, not in inches, but the amount of individually controllable arches contained therein. You can choose between the 54, 36, or 18, and mix and match according to your space and taste. When I pledged the Kickstarter campaign, I chose the Lixl Triple Pack and received one of each size, but a variety of packages were on offer, including the Ultimate Wall Package. A quick aside, through the marvelous use of AI, I've removed the plug from this shot, but as the lighting changes, this became impractical, so you will now see this room in its unaltered form. Lixl has included the ability to daisy chain panels together for power, resulting in a clean, stunning aesthetic. Beyond that, Lixl scores another win by making the panels controlled by the open source software WLED. There is no proprietary app with half-baked features here. Rather, they provide a Lixl-skinned web interface for WLED that includes over 70 color palette options and the ability to create your own. And over 100 effects, many of which are sound reactive. A handful of colors and effects are demoed here, but this is by no means a complete list. Every component in the Lixl feels and performs top-notch. Regarding the Ambulum textile, it looks beautiful in all types of lighting. Room light, indirect light, direct overhead light, ambient lighting, and colored light. Lixl's light effects remain visible and vibrant regardless. Lixl panels can be controlled individually or in sync via the web app. You can also power the device on and off by tapping the label once. Lastly, you can pair Lixl with a variety of third-party Bluetooth buttons. Congratulations to Kayotaka. You're the winner of our IKEA Strala Lantern Giveaway. Contact me at my website, smartlightdimwit.com, and I'll arrange to ship your prize. This has been Smart Light Dimwit. Until next time, peace and illumination.